Okay, traders, the NAS100. Here's the thing. Watch out for Wednesday. Look at this. Wednesday. Wednesday last week, we saw this thing turn around big time. Now, this has been on a tear. It's Wednesday. It's well and truly overextended. I've seen this happen quite often where you get this Tuesday, you get this Wednesday reversal more often than not. Look at this. Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday's trending up, and look what happened on Wednesday. All right, so you need to be really careful. Just mark these up. Yeah, well, that traded down, and then it went up. All right, so Wednesday. See, the other thing with this is, the markets are bullish. The couple of tools that I like to use, and let's just grab them. I like the volume profile, anchored volume profile for one thing. Throw it on there. And the other volume profile is pretty good too. Fixed range volume profile. I don't mind that. Yeah, you can throw it in here. How does that work? Am I going the wrong way with it? Anyway, the other thing that I like to use is the anchored VWAP. Now, if we place that on the base of this low, all right, beware. Beware, guys. Look how far out. This is 2 deviations out from VWAP. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, all right. I'm always looking for this. Watch this. Wow. Drive 1 pulls back. Oh, you get drive 2 and then drive 3. Okay, 3 drives. And then you get this reversal. So if we look at, 1, 2, 3. I'm always looking at this 3 to 4 drives. So you've got drive 1, strong drive here, drive 2, well, drive 3 into drive 4. And look how far out from VWAP. And it's a really common thing that when it pushes out like that and you see like a 3 or a 4 drive move where you can actually grab this line and, match up the highs here, 3 or 4 touches, watch out for that pullback. All right, this is trading at a premium. Fib retrace, low to high. See my red to blue zone here, 50 to 61.8 fib. I'd be looking for a potential entry, not at the current level. And if it pushes up from here, I'll let it go. I don't want to get involved with that. But I want to see it pull back. And again, watch out for this. I'm not predicting Wednesday's going to do that, but everything's kind of, pointing in that direction. There's a possibility that we get this pullback. So my point of interest for an entry is going to be down around this volume profile area here. So let's just mark that up. Actually, I'll tell you what I'll do with this. I'm going to grab... See, the other thing you got here is a bullish imbalance right through here. So let's just mark that up as well. So you got a few things that kind of come together. Let's just... that's a 1 hour chart. All right, watch out for that. All right, so possible target for a pullback right around the 61.8. So, look, I'd be interested in getting involved if it comes back, and then we get a bit of a range or something like that, maybe a bit of a fake out, a shakeout, and then wherever that happens, could be here, could be lower, could be right down in here, right? Who knows? But the main thing is I'm looking for this, and then break of structure for an entry. It's the same thing over and over and over and over again. I build my accounts on this strategy. I'm looking for that, and then a break of structure. All right, so it's going to look like something like that. See if we get a pullback, and copy that, paste, and then a break of structure, possible entry point. All right, so the note would be the same. It pulls back, and then you get this thing here, right? So that note would be the same. Copy and paste that. Copy it, right, and paste it. It's exactly the same. All right, so I'm looking for a pullback. If it doesn't pull back, I'll let it go. Now, look, it could, as I said, it could pull back. It could be anywhere. But just watch out. And this imbalance would be the bottom line. I don't want to see price break through the imbalance. And see the point of control on the volume profile, this red line. Okay, it's got to do this. And excuse me, and then break structure bullish insofar as giving me a higher low for a potential entry above all of this volume profile, POC, and the imbalance around here. It's got to do that. and then I'm long. If it breaks under the volume profile, then just walk away. Now, you've got this Wednesday thing that we've seen occurring, so just be careful, guys. Wait for the setup and let it invite you in. That's my take on the NAS. Love it if you comment. That'd be awesome. Let me know what you think. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.